Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off chat heads on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now here we'll find the settings icon, click on it, and here as you see you'll find chat heads. Just click like this, and as you see it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off chat heads on your settings on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.